You are working on a team project with a tight deadline. One member is consistently late. What do you do? A. Discuss the delays privately with the coworker. B. Report the issue to your supervisor immediately. C. Do nothing and focus on your own responsibilities. D. Email the whole team reminding them of the deadline. 2. You receive conflicting instructions from two managers. What is the best course of action? A. Choose the task you feel most comfortable doing. B. Ask your coworkers for advice. C. Clarify with both managers to align priorities. D. Complete both tasks regardless of overlap. 3. You are asked to train a new employee, but you are already behind on your work. What should you do? A. Decline the task immediately. B. Request to reschedule training for a later time. C. Train the employee quickly without answering questions. D. Explain your workload and ask for help prioritizing. 4. Customer complains loudly in front of others. What should you do first? A. Apologize and move the customer to a private area. B. Tell the customer to calm down. C. Ignore the complaint until they stop yelling. D. Call your manager immediately. 5. You notice a minor error in a report that has already been submitted. What should you do? A. Fix it and submit a new version. B. Report the error to your supervisor. C. Leave it alone if no one noticed. D. Blame the error on a teammate. 6. You are working with confidential data and a coworker asks for access. What do you do? A. Share it only if they are authorized. B. Give it since they are part of your team. C. Tell them to ask your manager. D. Leave the decision to someone else. 7. A task requires a new software you are unfamiliar with. How should you proceed? A. Ask for training or guidance. B. Avoid using the software until asked. C. Try using it without any support. D. Delegate it to someone else. 8. You are asked to complete a task with very little instruction. What is the best next step? A. Start the task and figure it out as you go. B. Ask clarifying questions before starting. C. Wait until someone checks in with you. D. Refer to past projects for similar guidance. 9. Your colleague takes credit for your work in a meeting. What should you do? A. Confront them during the meeting. B. Discuss the situation with them afterward. C. Send an email to leadership clarifying your role. D. Ignore it to avoid conflict. 10. You are assigned to a team where roles are unclear. What should you do first? A. Wait for instructions. B. Clarify roles with your teammates. C. Assume responsibility for all tasks. D. Report the issue to HR. 11. You receive a vague email request from a supervisor. What should you do? A. Respond with your best guess of what they meant. B. Ignore it until they follow up. C. Ask for clarification before acting. D. Forward the email to someone else. 12. A coworker is violating safety protocols. What is the most appropriate response? A. Report it to your manager immediately. B. Remind them of the correct procedure. C. Ignore it unless someone gets hurt. D. Joke about it with others. 13. You're overwhelmed with tasks and a colleague offers help. What's the best way to respond? A. Politely decline and push through. B. Accept help and delegate tasks clearly. C. Ask your manager for a reassignment. D. Let them choose which task to take. 14. You miss a deadline because you misjudged the time required. What should you do? A. Submit a partial result and explain. B. Blame workload and avoid responsibility. C. Take ownership and propose a recovery plan. D. Say nothing and submit late. 15. You observe team conflict escalating. What is the best course of action? A. Intervene and mediate directly. B. Escalate to leadership right away. C. Allow them to resolve it independently. D. Leave the room to avoid stress. 16. Your coworker often interrupts you during meetings. What is the most professional response? A. Ask them to let you finish before speaking. B. Ignore the interruptions. C. Interrupt them in return. D. Complain to your manager. 17. You're the only one in the office and the fire alarm sounds. What should you do first? A. Evacuate immediately and call security. B. Call your supervisor. C. Wait to see if it stops. D. Search the building for the source. 18. A coworker regularly comes in late, affecting team morale. What should you do? A. Talk to them in private about the impact. B. Gossip with others about it. C. Report them anonymously. D. Let the issue resolve itself. 19. You're given a task outside your usual duties. How should you handle it? A. Ask how it fits your role. B. Refuse to do it. C. Do it without asking questions. D. Ask someone else to take over. 20. You are double booked for 2 important meetings. What should you do? A. Attend the one with the higher priority. B. Skip both and send an apology email. C. Ask someone to cover one for you. D. Alternate between both. 21. You are writing a report and notice inconsistent data. What is your next step? A. Double-check the source data. B. Ignore it and finish the report. C. Highlight the data and submit as is. D. Ask a coworker to review it. 22. You are asked to present a topic you're unfamiliar with. What do you do? A. Research and prepare thoroughly. B. Refuse the request. C. Ask someone else to take your place. D. Wing it during the presentation. 23. A client emails you about an issue outside your control. What's the best response? A. Acknowledge the concern and redirect them. B. Ignore the email. C. Tell them it's not your responsibility. D. Forward it without explanation. 24. You're assigned to a task that conflicts with your values. What do you do? A. Seek guidance from a supervisor. B. Refuse to do it and walk out. C. Do it without question. D. Complain to coworkers. 25. You find a more efficient way to do a routine task. What is your next step? A. Share the method with your team. B. Keep it to yourself for personal gain. C. Ignore it and continue with the old way. D. Try it secretly without telling anyone. USA Hire Assessment. The USA Hire Assessment is a critical evaluation tool used in the U.S. federal hiring process to assess the skills, abilities, and qualifications of candidates applying for civil service positions. Administered through USA Job, the test is designed to measure a candidate's problem-solving abilities, cognitive skills, and job-specific competencies required for federal roles. The assessment typically includes situational judgment questions, cognitive ability tests, and job-related scenarios to evaluate how candidates approach challenges and perform under pressure. Results from the USA Hire Assessment help federal agencies identify the most qualified applicants for various positions, ensuring a fair and consistent hiring process. This assessment is a vital step for anyone seeking employment in federal government roles. Here are the top 5 beneficial uses of the USA Hire Assessment. 1. Objective evaluation of job applicants. The USA Hire Assessment provides an objective and standardized method to evaluate job applicants for federal positions. It helps to assess applicants' skills, abilities, and qualifications based on job-specific criteria, ensuring fair and consistent hiring practices. 2. Improved hiring efficiency. By using USA Hire, federal agencies can streamline their hiring process. The assessment reduces manual screening, quickly identifying candidates who meet the job requirements. This leads to faster and more efficient recruitment while ensuring that only qualified individuals are considered for positions. 3. Increased hiring accuracy. The USA Hire Assessment helps agencies select candidates who are most likely to succeed in the role. By evaluating critical competencies such as problem-solving, communication, and technical skills, the test improves the accuracy of hiring decisions, ensuring better long-term job performance. 4. Equal opportunity in employment. The use of the USA Hire Assessment promotes equal opportunity by evaluating all applicants against the same set of standards, minimizing biases in the hiring process. It helps ensure that applicants are selected based on their qualifications and abilities, rather than other unrelated factors. 5. Workforce development and training. The results of the USA Hire Assessment provide valuable feedback on candidates' strengths and areas for improvement. This information can be used to support workforce development programs, offering targeted training to new hires or existing employees to enhance their skills and overall performance in federal roles.